Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, kids? Hope you're doing good. Today we will learn about watering the plants. Do you know plants are living things just like us? They breathe, they grow, and they need care just like us. Plants grow in the soil. Soil helps plants become big and strong, just like we need food to grow big and strong. Then it needs water like us. Then the water helps plants, animals, and people to live. We should not waste the water. Then it needs sun. The sun gives plants lights and warmth. The sunlight the sun gives us light and warmth. Plants need sunlight to grow very well. Then plants also need air. Just like us, we breathe in fresh air every day just because of these plants. Trees help to keep the air clean. So, my dear children, we should always water the plants, keep our surroundings clean, save the water, plant more trees. When we take care of nature, nature takes care of us. Good job, kids. Now you have this worksheet. Fill it with your favorite colors and match it with the help of your parents. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye bye.